Well, that's unexpected. Hi, I'm Joe. Welcome to the new Škoda series. Will it fit? It's definitely safer in here. So, let's run a little experiment to test the massive energy output of rugby players. The new Škoda Kodiaq has enough room for 7, but I think we can fit a few more. On your mark, get set, go! Absolutely marvelous. You got this. Wonderful form. You're like a ballet on the field. 18, 19, 20. This is a historical moment. We are at full capacity here. Amazing! Well, it's certainly been a memorable experience. And I hope you'll also remember the day we fit 20 rugby players into the brand new and spacious Škoda Kodiaq.
Škoda. Simply clever.